Hello, I'm Peggy Cross, and I'm an artist, a feng shui practitioner, a teacher, and whatever else shows up, I do. I've been very fortunate in being a client of John Cooper's. When I had an accident in 2012, I was doing all those things at the time, and the impact was both immediate in that it was very painful. I could no longer teach. I couldn't even get up to my home where I am now, which is on the second floor, because there's certainly no elevator here. You're seeing Virginia Beach Boulevard behind me, and this is where a lady pulled out from Riddle over here to my right, and she didn't see me. I was in the left lane, and she just, all of a sudden she was in front of me, and I swerved to keep her putting her right in the driver's door, and ended up totally on the other side of the street in the bushes. And when the woman pulled out of the Riddle, and I managed not to hit her in her driver's door, but a front of our cars collided. My car was totaled as I ended up right across the street in the bushes. So the lady pulled out in front of me, and it happened so quickly, as those of you who have experienced automobile accidents know, life can change in the twinkling of an eye. And so there I was in the bushes, and later at the hospital discovered that I had sustained 3 broken or fractured bones of my right knee and in that general area. So I was totally unable to walk, but the pain meds were very helpful. I knew I needed a lawyer after this accident, and I interviewed one. He didn't work. Fired him. Talked to another on the phone. I could tell his ego was way too big for me to work with. And then I thought, let me see, who can I call whose judgment I trust? And I called my friend Susan Kaufman, and she gave me the name of John Cooper. And he immediately came out to my friend's place where I still was staying, and I liked him. He listened to me and just gave me a really good feeling about the man I wanted to work with as my attorney for this auto accident. And I was so pleased that I chose him. It was the settlement, considering the insurance that the person who caused my accident was very good. And he received more money back from Medicare than even he expected. And you know what else he did above and beyond? Because the woman who caused this accident would not accept the police officer, Officer Dove's, citation that it was totally her fault, and John Cooper came to court with me, even though that wasn't in the contract and he didn't have to do that. He came as moral support, and I really appreciated that.